Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Wednesday, October 16, and we'll start with repeat after me. The market is, I'm joking. Let's start with Bitcoin, and let's see what we have here. Now, Bitcoin on daily, that's the best thing we can do in the morning for an overview to see what we have. Well, good night for you, Catalin. I know for you it's good night from now, but so AB equals CD is still in play. We have this high. If you remember, a lot of people said, well, it's ugly, it's a fake out. I said, yeah, indeed, on short term it's a fake out, but it's a new high which is strong. And yesterday we closed within the week to the upside. We closed above the week high here, which means a higher high. As I said from last 2 days, repeat after me, the market is fucking strong. Yeah, so take it how you want, how you think you should frame the market. I'm not saying to chase. No, you know, I'm not a chaser in the market, but don't be bearish. Yeah, indeed, we have the short reload zone. But show me a 3-bar fractal on daily. Show me something, some weakness. Yeah? And if you look left a little bit, you can see blue line. Well, we have another high here to take above the 69. Liquidity point there. If you look left even more, equal highs here at 72. So if the market wants to push higher, well, has some levels. We can put even more than that. But just look at how many levels are here, how much liquidity is here. And then is the last one. The all-time high at 73,800 on Binance. So if the market wants to push higher, well, we could do that all the way up. We'll do it next hour in the London session? No. But any retracement, it's a buying opportunity. When you saw that rejection here and close above 60K, everyone should know that the market give us a clear signal. Well, I'm not accepting below that level. No business here. I want higher. Okay. So I'll leave this line here, repeat after me, until we'll have some yams or something. Indicators on daily chart. Well, they are just respecting the price action. The volume is not the best one here, but could recover. W's in volume. So it's not bad. Nothing is. On higher time frame, if you remember, we have bullish divergence. We had bullish divergence on OBV from couple of weeks ago, and we said, well, something is stronger than it looks. Morning, Stefan. Morning, Catalin. Morning, everyone. So that's my view on daily. Let's see. Usually Wednesday are kind of boring. Market is consolidating, but who knows? Level by level, we'll try to frame some setups. If we see Bitcoin boring, that doesn't mean the entire market will be boring. Usually, when the market is consolidating, the altcoins are pumping. So we can focus on altcoins. They didn't. Most of them didn't pump yet. Depending what time frame you are playing around, but still a lot of opportunities in altcoins. Morning, Andre. Morning, Chick. Okay, so that's the view on Bitcoin. Let's see Ethereum on daily. Well, big volatility here. Volatility was kind of a dark Maul here on this candle. You can see short reload zone, dark Maul candle all over the place at the end at the same spot. Who was shorting, who was longing here on Ethereum is out. Look at the candle. But who is smart like us and who took the trade from the W a lot lower doesn't fucking care what's happening here. This is the time we should put our hands under our asses and just wait. Yeah? Don't, if you took a trade on one day, on daily or 4-hour chart, don't go and fuck around on 5-minute chart and see AMs and Ws there. You're not a day trader. If you took the trade on daily, you are a swing trader at best. Stay in your time frame, because if you'll go on low enough time frames, you'll feel the emotions of a day trader, and you are not a day trader. So why you should maximize your emotions just to fuck around with a trade? I don't think it's a good idea. So stay on daily. Here, nothing wrong. Exactly like on Bitcoin. Well, we are in the short reload zone. We had a Dharma ul. We cleaned everything. We have a new range here to play around. Let's see where we'll break out, to the upside, to the downside. We have 2,500 as a support. And also, if you look here, 2,500 is the neckline for this big W. Include the wicks and you'll understand this is a fucking big W. Look at this. W. Big W. And this Wyckoff check here with this candle just retested that level. And you can see the strength. We didn't manage even to retest 2,500. Anyway, if you are long, more than nice. If you are not long, well, you are still in a short reload zone. So you should stay out or take the Holy Grail on 50-minute chart. Yeah? If you have access and you can trade with the Holy Grail, well, why not? It's just a bonus for premium membership or VIP membership. Yeah? If someone from premium or from VIP still doesn't have access on Holy Grail, DM me on Discord and I'll give you access. Okay? If you need access, if you want to trade on 50-minute chart, if you want to trade on 1 hour, 5-minute chart, if you are a position trader, swing trader on 4-hour chart, you don't need Holy Grail. Okay, that's Ethereum on daily. Bitcoin dominance, well, Bitcoin pushing higher, altcoins lagging, most of them at least. Bitcoin dominance pushing higher. Not bad sign. If in this condition we'll hit 60, slow and steady, Bitcoin pushing, altcoins lagging and still pumping some of them, well, it's okay. Will not be so painful as we thought. After we hit 60, yamming out, and then to see altcoins pumping, well, why not? But let's respect Bitcoin dominance here. It's pushing higher. We made a new high, exactly like I said on Bitcoin a couple of days, weeks ago. We closed a daily candle above the last high. So that's bullish. Big W stepping up. If it will be a fake out and you'll see an EM, okay. But until then, respect what market is telling you. So that's at the end. I'll take the request, Ash. I'm not okay with shorting this market. In Romanian, we have a ugly saying about that. But anyway. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance is strong, surprisingly strong. Look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin on daily. Well, I guess you see my scenario. Yeah, we discussed this scenario. Yeah, pushing higher here, retesting the initial EM and breaking down. We're at the neckline. If we'll break down, we'll see it. If we'll make a new W, we'll stay in that range. Yeah, we are at the bottom of this. Let's consider this low and this higher range here. We are at the bottom of the range. We can even do an SFU and then accept back, power of 3 kind of idea. But for the moment, Ethereum versus Bitcoin on daily chart, it's fucking weak. Look at that. Look at the chart, draw the conclusion, and don't fuck around with it. Yeah. We had a nice bounce on Ethereum. Okay, even yesterday in the pump. We saw Bitcoin pumping. Yeah, you have to be damn fast if you want to play around. I didn't have time even to explain people what I was doing. I had time just to say, well, Ethereum is lagging, could follow Bitcoin, and I got on Binance, took my position, Ethereum was exploding pretty damn fast, took the profit there. Then look at Bitcoin, I saw the 3-bar fractal, take short back, kind of ugly. When you are scalping on 1 minute chart, it's not easy to live stream in the same time and to trade in the same time. It's hard, especially when you are not planning the trades. You see in the session, you see the market making W's and you don't have time. Well, if you'll do, you see the W, you take it or you just leave it. It's kind of hard to have even explain something to the community. Anyway, that was done. Now we are back at the lows on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's see, we'll hold the lows or we'll accept below. DXY, well, it's getting closer and closer to the support. Yeah, support and resistance here. This is resistance. We had support and we bounced from the support. I was thinking that with DCM we'll push it lower. No, we didn't even touch 100 level, exactly 100. We are pushing higher and we are back in the range. Let's put the weekly chart and I'll show you what I mean. 1 second. Yeah, this is the big range and you can see a lot of support and resistance here. Oh. Let's take this one and this one. That's better. Yeah, we are back in the middle of the range. Anyway, that's something else. Total market did the same thing, but not as strong as Bitcoin. You can see everything is about Bitcoin pumping at this point. For the moment, now you can see high. We made a new high here. We closed above, and this time we didn't close above. So Bitcoin is the strongest one and is dragging everything with him. With some exception, some altcoins are pumping, but in general, Bitcoin is dragging the entire market up. Okay. Well, it's interesting for you guys to see some things. You saw ES pushing higher, dragging Bitcoin and the entire crypto space up. And after that, ES slowed down, Bitcoin took the initiative and pushed it higher, and now is dragging the altcoins with him. What's next? Watch and you'll see. Total 2, even weaker. Yeah, you can see weak. Is not strong for the moment. Yeah, we have the high, we weak to the upside, but we didn't close above, and here it's something uglier. But we still have this W. Could recover? Of course. Could go straight up to 61.8? Yeah. It's happening today? Probably not. Total 3, similar, yeah. Last time we did a really strong close here, but now we are lagging for the moment. Yes, well, yes, on a 4-hour chart, it's repeat after me. Market is damn strong. AB equals CD still in play. Middle of the channel will be tested probably. We can even go back down at I don't know, 70 points lower here at the support, and we'll be okay. As long as we hold above the old all-time high, we're okay. Don't think the market will go straight up. No, the market is going up and down. We have kind of a railroad tracks here on daily on ES, which is at this location is not a bullish sign, but the target for this one is back in the range here, and then we'll see. Like I said, as long as we are above all-time high, we are okay. The market is strong. Guys, leave a like if you like this kind of live stream, if you like the content. If you don't like it, like I like to say, hit the dislike 2 times. See what happens. Okay. That's the overview we have here. Let's do more than that. Let's see what we have on lower time frame. Well, you can see the trade here. It's just a trade, just a a day trade on 50-minute chart. You can see the W at 61.8, breakout, retest, takes book one. Had to take it. Had to take the trade. Nothing I can do about it. Now, let's see Bitcoin. Let's start with Bitcoin on lower time frame. It's Wednesday, and you can kind of see here we had expanding volatility, and we are kind of forming a triangle here. Where are you, Ken? You are the fan of triangles. Yeah, we had expanding volatility. Look at this one. Up, down, and back up. But after all, wasn't a big deal. From this swing low to this swing high, just a pump chaser zone, a 50% retracement, and bouncing back. Bouncing back at the highs and retesting that level, it's actually strong. And when you see a triangle like this, usually breaks to the upside. I'll chase? No. I could do something, I don't know, something like this on 5-minute chart or 3-minute chart. 3. Yeah. Can you see something on 3-minute chart, even 1 minute? But 3-minute chart, you see. Some entries with Holy Grail. I don't know 1 minute if it's for now. It's just too low. Or take 3 or play with 5. Just wait for the downtrend to be over. Pushing higher. Breakout. And at the retest you can enter long. But it's for day traders here. Keep in mind. This is a public live stream. I don't really like to talk about lower time frames. But who knows. Idea is that we have a new range here. Doesn't matter my opinion, doesn't matter your opinion. We have a new range. Yeah, we determine some lows and some highs that need respect. Yeah, this is the high, this is the low, and we can play around here. Well respected middle of the range. We are at the top of the range. Like I said, I know from my experience that usually this is strength, market pushing and staying below the resistance. But at the same time, not the best location to hunt long ideas. Yeah? It's that simple. Let's see what we have on, I think for our chart on altcoins. Is the best for us. Well, you can see on IEVO, yeah, we didn't pump too much. So, waiting for the market to go a bit lower, maybe, and make a W on lower time frame. You can take something here. AB equals D completed. We need to consolidate a little bit more. I don't see a setup here. Actually, here we have kind of a diamond pattern, which could be a reversal, I don't think so, or a continuation. But you have to wait. Alt, similar. Yeah. We have a retracement here. We pumped and we dumped, but actually nothing bad. Let me show you a uptrend channel. Okay? Look at this one. It's textbook one. Come on. Extend. Well respected uptrend channel. You know to play an uptrend channel, guys? I think you do, or you should know. If you don't, ask us and we'll tell you. In an uptrend channel, you are hunting the test of the lows here, and you want a 3-bar fractal or a fake out and something and take along. Simple as that. Okay. Ethereum, well, all over the place, like I said. Stop me out here. I had my, on the rest of the position, I had my stop loss here. I'm out. Yeah. CRV, still stable coin. Did a breakout, which on lower time frame was a fake out, and back in the range. Back being the best stable coin possible. Dimension. Similar thing. Yeah? We had a really nice and strong pump. We should chase? No. We should wait for the first W, the other side of the trend line. Now, it's possible today to get something like this. 61.8? Maybe yes. Or we can bounce from the pump chaser zone. If you look left, This is a support and resistance level. Look, just look left. Now, if we'll put the pump chaser zone, we have location. But location here. Wait for the market to accept here below 38.2. Make a W, and then you have a trade. You have kind of a AB equals CD. Like I said yesterday, don't chase the market. Market will come for us, will give us an entry at some point in time. Okay, E-Gold, long and strong, no new setup. Fat, like a lot of people asking about Fat. Well, it's just consolidating. I prefer to see it close to $1. This one was strong, yeah. And remember, we made some money on this one. Okay, was strong here at $20. Everyone was, well, breakout, whiz, and everyone. You'll miss. You'll never see it at $20 again. We'll go to the moon. Well, come on. Let's be traders, not influencers. Let's not be the public. And you can see we have a big daily W here, but not the best location. The market is kind of strong, kind of not so strong. Yeah, it's kind of a range here. You think the market will push to the upside without consolidating? I don't think so. Similar stuff here. If you'll take the high, if you'll take the low, well, there you go. Look left, look left, look at here, look here, here. You'll see well respected level. Expect a W here. Maybe not 4 hour, maybe 1 hour time frame if you are more aggressive. But don't chase. Don't chase here. Look at Wiz or other influencer telling you buy, buy, buy. Why do you think they said buy? Pixel, similar. This motherfucker stop us out. If you had a hard stop loss here, stop you out. And after that, hit our target. Straight up. Anyway, nothing we can do. Here, similar. AB equals CD completed. You can take the entire thing and wait in the pump chaser zone. Well, look at this one. Manta, similar. Diamond pattern here. I hope that will go lower and then I'll make a W. Solana, remember yesterday I said don't chase it, it's too close to the short reload zone. Yeah, indeed we have this big W here. But in the same time, even if you think something like this, something like this, 61.8, maybe pump chaser, maybe. Look left. If we'll do a W on pump chaser, okay, but I don't see it. I see a big range there. It's too big to. We'll slowly form a setup. Ton, nothing to do. Doji back in the long reload zone. Nice to see that. Doge, uptrend channel, but is at the top of the channel. You want to chase this one here? I don't think so. You don't see the uptrend channel? Well, look at it. I don't want to trade here. Got the idea. I hope so. Okay. Saga all over the place. Megaphone, don't touch it. I said multiple times. They cleaned up everything. They pushed higher. They are going back down. But if you look here, this was like a fighting zone, support and resistance on higher time frame, and we accept kind of above, and now we are retesting that level. Tao, 4 hour chart. On 4 hour chart, nothing you can do. I played around a day trade here. Okay, I had it. We had a YAM, and you can see we are retesting, just a retest of that YAM. For me, on lower time frame was more than enough. For a 4 hour chart, nothing. It's just going sideways here. Could retest $678? Yeah. Could do a fake out? Yeah. Could push straight to 1,000? Yeah. You should chase here on 4 hour chart? No. Simple as that. Okay, guys, put your questions, put your requests. It's a public. Every Wednesday we do this live stream for everyone, for public. You can ask any request you want. I need the ticker and the time frame you want. I'll just take a look at the ATIA here on 4 hour chart. Well, we had the W breakout. I took some profit on the rest. What I still have, it's stop loss at scratch. Yeah, I'll leave with the results here. I don't see a new setup. We had AB equals CD, pretty aggressive, EM breaking down. I'll just wait back down for a new W. Yeah. On higher time frame, I post some setups. A lot of altcoins go on daily. A lot of altcoins on Binance look similar to this one. Yeah, it's up to you. If you are a position trader, a swing trader, you can hunt daily W's. If you see daily W's, you can buy them. Yeah. I think not this one. I think I have something here. 1 inch. Yeah, similar. Yeah, another setup. I already post these ones on Discord. Look at this one. Not the perfect LJ, but the best general setup here. It's still at entry. Okay, let's take them one by one with on 1 hour. With 1 hour. With perpetual if you are saying short. Well, you have some signs, some weakness signs for the 1 hour time frame. What do you have here? Well, you have bearish divergence confirmed on MACD. You have bearish divergence on RSI, and you have potential bearish divergence. Actually, let me see. Here from here, yeah, you have bearish divergence kind of on OBV. So, okay, you have location. If you are short from the top, okay. I don't see a clear EM here. If you took it on, I don't know, 1 hour, maybe you have an EM. I think you have. Well, if you took this EM, I'm okay with your setup, but you should be risk-free now. If you took this one, okay, I have a head and shoulder, not the best one, but at least it's an EM. 1 hour time frame, I took this one. You reached 1-to-1, you should be risk-free or close 50% or something similar. Hunting a 3-to-1. You had the retest of the neckline, so you should not go back up there. Enjoy the profit. Too short now on 1 hour time frame, no. It's a bit too late. Look left, you're getting in some support area. So, if you are a day trader and you are trading on 1 hour chart, okay, just be damn sure that you can trade on 1 hour chart. And I'm not speaking about 1 trade or 10 trades. You can't do it on long run, because if you do a stupid mistake with leverage, you can lose your account. You can work 6, 10 months, 1 year and do a stupid mistake. Be damn sure you have enough rules to keep you in check, and don't do stupid mistakes. If you can, good for you. You'll see that on Crypto Traders Arena we have a lot of day traders. Yeah. Okay, the next request. Okay, let's see what we have. AR. Well, Rado, AR on what time frame? Specific a time frame. If you don't specific a time frame, well, I'll do it classically, starting with weekly. Starting with weekly. I don't know what this one does. I don't know if it's the best one, is the worst one. I don't care, actually. What is this line here? Had some meaning at some point in time, I think. Anyway. You can do something like this. First of all, on weekly chart. Is the best you can do. Take this one. Well, you are below 61.8. It's enough? I don't know. Why? I don't see a weekly W. I just don't see it. Where I should see the market for me to get interested? Well, this one. Wyckoff check of this level. Which is some dollars below. We'll retest that level at some point in time, most probably. So, as you can see on weekly, it's still going down. It's not consolidating sideways. Good start, but didn't form a range, didn't do anything. Was straight up, and now is slowly cleaning up everything, is going back in the long reload zone. Usually, 78.6, you can see confluences these levels. You have some support there, some levels. Look left. I think here in the 78.6 area, it's a good level to watch for a weekly W, daily W, and so on. That's my perspective on weekly. If I'll go on daily, let's see what we have on daily. On daily, you have kind of a W here. Well, you have location from weekly. You have a location here. You Wyckoff check this level in August. You have a W here, but you have a setup. Not kind of rangy here. I don't see. You can take the trade, but I cannot guarantee enough confluences for a setup here. I see the daily W, breakout retest. Take it if you want. Equal lows, I don't like that. Exactly equal lows here will probably retest that level. So not for me. I don't see a setup. And let's see what we have with trend lines. A trend line usually is a good tell. Well, W the other side of the trend line. What I don't like the equal lows. So take it if you want. If I'll be me and I'll have to decide, I'll say next bus. I'll wait for the next W. But you have something there. At least it's a nice location to watch for a trade. It's a nice location to hunt. You should take it. It's up to you. What I don't like, I said, I don't like the equal lows here. Next one, Pendle 4-hour chart. Well, why not? Pendle. If you said 4-hour chart, let's try a futures market. Daily. Bad location on daily. I'll be honest. It's in the middle of nothing. You have some W's pushing higher. You had a W here. Well, you can say, well, this is a bot setup. Okay, maybe it is. Two lows, breakout. That was your entry for a bot setup. If you know what a bot setup is, swing low, swing high, bot 1. Below 33, above 66. Okay, let's clone this one. Let's put it here. Okay, let's take the second one. Okay, W breakout. That's the neckline here of the W. It's a bit too high. Retesting the highs is never a good location. I recommend to short this one. No, let's see 4-hour chart. Maybe you have something different. Yeah, on 4-hour chart we have 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows. Yeah. On 4-hour chart you had a bot setup and you had an entry last night. Now, bot setup here, nice W, continuation trade, play with Holy Grail. Similar, you can see Holy Grail is saying the same thing. Chase here, no, kind of ugly. I don't like this location on Pendle. It's strong. You can trade on lower time frame. You can play with Holy Grail, but 4-hour chart, okay. Daily, So if you are long already, okay. If you are not long, wait for the next setup. Go back on daily. Let's see FTM. FTM. Well, I'll stay on futures market then. What do we have here? A lot of ink and nothing valid. Remove drawings. Okay. Daily. Well, here we have the GAN 50-50 rule. If you can see it and you'll understand, I'll not stay here to explain. I'll not stay here to explain what it's a GAN 50-50, but you can see. Market bounced 50% from the drop and 50% of the time. We are at the 50% level. Not the best location to do anything. You are not at the short reload zone for a potential short, which I don't recommend to short, but maybe some sharp ones can do that. And you are not low enough for long. Middle of nowhere, not necessarily the best approach. Let's see a 50% if it's indeed 50%. Where are you? 50. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. You had a drop. Again, 50 says that the market will bounce or will drop 50% of the move in 50% of the time. You can calculate the time here. So not the best location here to do anything. Let's go on a 4-hour chart. We said 4 hour after all. Oh, stepping up. New high here. It's a fake out. Well, I don't know. I don't suggest to short. It's possible. I will not do it myself. I'll just don't do it. You can trade with Holy Grail if you want. You can go even on 1 hour chart if you have access on Holy Grail, and wait for a drop here in this area for a new long. 50-minute chart, similar. You can see the Holy Grail is giving some signals. Anyway, that's it on this one. Let's go back on a 4-hour chart. It's making new highs. It's strong. And OBV is respecting that. If you are long, stay long. If you are not long, wait for a retracement, at least a retest here at 70 cents. And play with Holy Grail. You can see you have an entry exactly here on 4-hour chart. It's up to you after all, but... Okay, the next one. Aevo. What time frame Aevo? I talked about Aevo too many times. Aevo futurist market. Let's hide the Holy Grail. Well, you can see we are long on daily. No? On Aevo. Long on daily. It's a range here. It's forming a bottom. We have kind of, this is not a clear W, so maybe we need to stay more in this area. Maybe. So let's wait and see what will happen here. But it's in a range. This is a big range. Who asked about Aevo? Roy. Yeah? This is a big range. Nothing more, nothing less. Level by level, step by step. Range. There you go. Huh? Okay, this is my trade. This is the range. You can see well respected middle of the range. We are consolidating, which is not a bad thing. Just you need patience to wait for the market to finish consolidating that level. Okay. Next one. OP on 4-hour chart. Good morning, Catalin. OP 4-hour chart. Okay. Yeah, kind of similar range here, but is trying to do something. Yeah, on daily you can see the W's is just trying to do something. This is the high at $2. This is the low at $1. Well, $1 range, not bad, but you are kind of at the top of the range. Yeah, that's daily. Let's see weekly. I know you don't like, or you like, I don't know. Well, yeah, it's consolidating. Look left. And this is the support area. Let's put the volume. You see what I mean? It's at the POC. It's fighting with the POC, deciding accepts above or is, but the POC is like a magnet and like a wall in the same time. Yeah, the market will reject and will be attracted to that level. So 1.5, 1.4, well, maybe. Back on 4-hour chart. Let me hide the volume. Well, on 4-hour chart here, I don't really necessarily enjoy a long here. Why? Well, because of that. So no, not the best one. Let it finish consolidating and maybe we can play. If you are playing higher time frame, weekly, daily chart, okay, it's a good level $2 cost average, Catalin. KAR daily, you said daily. Okay, we looked at that one. SUI for a 4-hour short, Radu. Well, why not? You want to short SUI, which is one of the strongest. Okay, good for you. Let's see the chart. I'm joking. I don't know. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're not. I'll stay on daily. Well, okay. Well, what I see here, Rado, I see a big fucking W. Huh? Look at this one. Big W. Weekly. Big W. Too big for us to trade it, but it's there. And what we did last week, the last candle, well, last candle just confirmed the breakout. Why? You have a high here, you have a higher low here, and you made a higher high here because we closed the candle body above the week high. And now it's just retracing for the next step. You really want to short something like that, or you want to buy the dip? Even if the dip will go lower. On weekly chart looks like we confirmed an uptrend. We are starting something. Now let's go on daily. On daily, we rejected. You know what? Higher time frame, it's a breakout. Lower time frame could be a fake out, and you can go back. Something normal. Some RSI divergence. Nothing on OBV, I think. No, OBV is still strong. You had some divergence on RSI. You don't have an M on daily, so on daily, no. It's just getting back in this support area for the next step, like I said. 4 hour, let's see, maybe we have something different. Show me a clear YAM. Well, we don't have an YAM. We have something ugly. And here we have support. So, no. I don't like the idea to short here. Even if it could be a winning trade. Anything could be a winning trade, you know that. But I don't see, if I'll take this trade 100 times, this thinking, I'll not be profitable. Definitely. And I started weekly just to prove you a point. Yeah? We just started an uptrend on SUI. Yeah, it's at the top. Yeah, it's tempting to short. And you know me, I love to play the range game. And usually I do that. But when I see so much strength in the market, even if it will happen and it will be a winning trade, I prefer to protect capital. So I don't see the opportunity here. This is a clear uptrend. Yeah? This is an uptrend with expanding volatility. Nothing more, nothing less. Yeah, you can see the market is less volatile, stepping up, bigger volatility, and so on. I don't recommend to short something like this, honestly. Okay. Eric is aiming, he wants to see Wu at 167. Yeah, let's take a look at Mr. Wu. Mr. Wu. Well, let's put daily chart. I want to see the bigger picture. What I have here? Some old ink I don't like anymore. Well, weekly. What we have here? That's nice. I love that. I love that. Yeah, Eric, I love your thinking. Why? I see the weekly W. It's that simple. I have all the confirmation needed to hunt long ideas. I don't like this week. Well, nothing is perfect, but at least I have a weekly W. I could think something. Well, now give me a long reload on a 61.8 and I'll hunt an idea straight from weekly chart. Okay. Well, you are a bit, you want a bit higher. I don't know, maybe pump chasers on for you. So weekly you have W, weekly W. That's nice. Let's see daily. Okay. I could see, I don't know. We have a bot setup here. If I'll take this low, I don't think so. 61.70. It's at limit now. But let's put the numbers. Why? I give my opinion. No, it's below 66, so I don't think it's the best idea for a bot setup. But let's imagine that we have A, B, C, D, and this is a swing low to swing high on daily chart, 4 hour chart for sure. Now let's put a long reload zone, where that will be. Well, here, not bad. Not bad. I going here and on 4-hour chart trying to get a W or something. This area will probably produce a bounce here. And you have, what I see there is you are thinking that will create a new low here, a higher low, which is not bad. Not bad. A deeper pullback after this W. I know someone from TRI, the instructor from TRI, Grim, was doing that. Every time when he see a W, he will hunt here. Well, where the last move started. That will be his entry. And he had a really nice risk to reward. So, yeah. Radu, I don't know why you are trying to short here. I'll be honest. Overall, you think shorting altcoins is the best decision you can do now? I don't know. Zoom out on weekly and tell me it's a good location. If you can do that. Equal lows, stop. Near. You want to short near? Well, I'll be okay with you, but let's do something like this. Yeah, I'm on weekly. Okay, let's put near. I'll do the same. I'll clean the chart. Why do you want to short here? You have a weekly W here. I know it's not the best one. It's not the best location, but why do you want to short here? Bitcoin dominance is almost at 60 and you are trying to short? Well, maybe. Okay, let's look at daily. We are trying to make a W here. You have a bot setup starting to form here. Not bearish. 4-hour chart. Well, for our chart you need a better location for a short, that's for sure. It's a range here. This is a range, nothing more, nothing less. 1 hour. Well, 1 hour you have a kind of an EM here. Well, it's up to you. I don't necessarily like this thinking. Because look left, this is a fucking support level. Support and resistance. Just look here. What do you think will happen when we'll touch this level? Well, I don't know. I'm not a fan, I'll say it publicly, I'm not a fan of shorting anything here. With the Bitcoin exception, with on scalping or Ethereum on scalping. But nothing more. I prefer to wait, be patient, wait for a dip and buy the dip. We are in the end of the 2024 for the fuck's sake. Maker? Well, the maker is a strong one, let's see. Maker on Binance on daily chart. Okay. Well, damn good location, but nothing more, Zachariah. Damn good location here. Yeah. Some support. Let's clean the chart. It's holding and I don't need it. Let's put the high here. Come on. High, low. You are at 78.6, so damn good location. Daily, weekly, doesn't matter. You have good location, but nothing more. Let's be honest, guys. I don't see daily W's. If I don't see a daily W at least, no. Let's wait for Maker to form a W. This W, why I'm saying that? Well, this W could come here, or could come at 1000, could come at 700, could come all the way down at 500. So until I'll see the structure in the market changing, a W breakout retest, kind of, no. I could see DCM here in the top, you can see it yourself. W the other side of the trend line, a lot of confluences here that we should wait for a daily W at least. I'm not saying weekly W, at least daily W. We don't have that. So this one could go lower before it will go higher. Probably $1,000 is at a fucking good level to $1,010 for a limit order if you want. Yeah? But until I'll see something like here, W's. No, this was a fake out indeed. This was a fake out. So we had some fake outs. This one wasn't a valid setup because it was above the 61.8, but this was a textbook one and was a fake out, unfortunately. We need another W. Usually altcoins love to change the direction at 78.6. Simple as that. So wait for that W. If you want to be more patient, you can wait for an LJ here. W, complete W, the other side of the trend line, which will be in December probably. I don't see a setup there. No? Well, we have almost 1 hour, guys. Hit the like if you want. Repost the tweet with the link, or repost the link on your social media if you really like the live stream. Subscribe to our YouTube if you want to get notification when we are live streaming. I hope I don't know if I helped you just a little bit. I'm more than happy. Yeah. Take it level by level is the best approach. Stupid trader approach. That's the best one. Yeah. I'm not predicting. I don't know too many things. I know setups and risk management. It's all I need to know to make money. I spoke about Sol in the beginning, Henry. It's in a range there, middle of nowhere. I don't like it. Not for a long, not for a short. They are better charts than Sol. Some altcoins, you can go here, for example. You can go and look at the strongest ones. Yeah? Take Holy Grail or take 1 hour chart. For example, 4 hour chart. Strongest altcoins. Let's see. Put Holy Grail and play around. See what is on 4 hour chart. If you like what to see in 4 hour chart, then go on 15-minute chart, activate Holy Grail, and start trading. It's a simple strategy. Altcoins here, meme coins. If you remember, I said about this one here at the lows. We had a really nice profit here. Now it's coming back to Papa. If you remember, I just said that a long time ago. He'll come back at 78.6. He'll come back at 88.6. I'm waiting. I'm patient. I'll wait here and I'll reload. We made nice money. Compensated for a lot of losses. If you had losses, because it's easy to get a loss in a meme coin. Well, you took it and it's in 10 minutes it's at zero. Nothing you can do. Next boss, you lost the money. That's why you have to have a really good risk management. But this one compensated. We made a nice profit. Now we'll wait. Probably 001 here at 88.6 will be the best level. If you want to be even more patient, wait for a double in this area. That will be even nicer. I think we'll have another pump on this one. The name, the meme, it's really nice. The community, I think it's nice. I think it's, okay, community claim and so on. But in this environment, I think we can see another double to get more coins. Well, that being said, guys, let's call it a live stream if nothing else. Well, let's not get on that, chick. Let's not get on that one. Let's not get on doing TA on meme coins on Solana. That's DJ. Okay. If you'll say that in a live stream in the New York session, I'll be okay and I'll take a look. But in a public live stream, I don't want to do TA on meme coins usually. Crypto, Twitter. Well, crypto Twitter is crypto Twitter. You know how it goes. Bullish at resistance, bearish at support. Maybe this time they are right because the market is fucking strong. They'll finally be right. Triangle breakout kind of idea. It's possible. Now, let's see what will happen here. Being Wednesday, I think we'll fuck around here and clean up a little bit the people who longed at the top. We'll see. Okay, I'll go on a day trade with the VIP guys for 2 hours, and then I'll take a break, and then we'll hear us again in the New York session. Couple of 2 people, remember that you have a live stream at the end of the day. Yeah, in the New York session, you have the live stream with Stefan, week 3. Couple 1 people, remember that you have some homework to do, and some of you really need to read the documents again and again. Yeah, Friday you'll have the live stream. Okay, guys, let's not chill too much. Let's not talk too much. It's almost 1 hour. Let's call it a live stream. See you guys next time. Bye bye.